Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another fancy haul. So for today's video guys, I have a new undies. Ayan. I have yellow and ayan, this is purple. So dalawa guys. Ayan, sorry if ngayon lang ulit ako upload. Okay? Ngayon lang. Sorry kasi na-busy po ako and then I was sick also. So unahin muna natin tong yellow. So the yellow one is my favorite. Ayan. Large po ni siya. All the way from Avon. Avon Manlayang Lumipad. Ayan. So guys, so this is from Avon of course. Ayan. Yellow. Large ni siya. Ganyan sa likod. And ganyan siya sa harap. Okay? Very nice, very comfy. Ayan pa. Ganyan siya guys. I really like this one. So, yung isa naman is purple. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ito is purple. Large din siya all the way from Avon. Susuot natin. Let me know which one is better, this one or this one. And dito naman ay large din siya. Ganyan siya sa loob guys. Yun yung loob niya. Double naman siya. And then maganda yung quality. The quality is good. Ayan. Pak, ganun. Maganda na talaga niya siya. And then let's see guys saan mas fit sa akin. So, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Ayan. Thank you very much. Okay. So, ito siya. Comment heart if you like the video. Salamat. Okay. So, isuot na natin sila guys because I am excited to wear this. Ayan. Okay, isuot na natin sila guys. Ayan siya guys. The yellow one is very cute, very nice, very sexy. Ganyan siya. I really like this one, especially kag yellow. I like yellow is my favorite. Maganda siya, maganda yung kanyang quality. Ayan. So, pasensya na sa taba ko kay I have fat. Sorry. I become fat na. But anyways, maganda pa rin naman siya. Large ni siya, so maybe next time. Ayan, kukuha tayo ng magagandang kulay, okay? So, I will buy more different colors and light colors and sexy colors, okay? So, ito ang yellow. And this one, ganyan siya sa likod, back. Ganyan siya sa likod, guys. Very nice. Ayan, tumig dito. Maganda talaga siya. I like it. Very sexy siya, guys. Ganyan. So, I like it so much. I hope you like it also, the yellow one. Ganyan. Yeah. Same pa din, maganda pa rin siya. Ayan, ganyan. I really like it. I really like. Ayan, maganda siya. Like, share, and subscribe. Of course, suot natin yung isa, the purple one. Tingnan natin kung alin yung maganda, guys. So guys, ito yung purple. I really like it. Very, very nice. Very sweet. Ayan also. Bagay siya sa kulay ko. And my skin tone is nice. Ayan. Yan siya. I really like it. Ayan. Maganda yung kanyang quality and good also, of course. Everything is nice. Of course, dito sa likod. Maganda din siya guys. Yan. Pak. Ganyan. Maganda siya. I like it. So, bibili pa tayo ng ganito pa, guys. Okay, maganda siya. I like it yung ganyan sa likod. Maganda siya. Maganda ang quality. Very nice and comfy. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. I like it. Tell me which one is better, the yellow one or this purple. Ayan ha. Thank you for watching everyone. Salamat po. Ayan.